Hi, Wasim is here. In this video, I am going to discuss multiplication of whole number with 10, 100 and 1000 and its multiple. Also, we discuss division of a whole number with 10, 100 and 1000 and also its multiple. The third topic of this video will be Bodmas rule. First of all, I'm going to discuss about multiplication of whole number with 10, 100, 1000 and its multiple. Rule: multiply a whole number with 10, 100 or 1000. Simply we add a number of 0 to the whole number to its end in its answer. Multiply a whole number to multiple of 10, 100, 1000. Then we split the multiple number and again we multiply those number and get a result. For example, 562 multiplied by 10. Here in a second number we have 10, so in our answer we get only 10 with the first number, so the answer will be 5620. In a second example we have 485 multiplied by 100. Here in a second number we have 100 and 100 contain two zeros, so in answer we get two zeros extra with a first number, so the number will be 48,500. Similarly, when we multiply 26 with 1000, here in this number we have 30 at the end in a second number, so the first number will be increased with 30 and the answer will be 26,000. Now I am going to describe the multiple of 10, 100 and 1000. 9 multiplied by 50. Here 50 is a multiple of 5 and 10. So I have split the 50 into 5 and 10. Now I am going to multiply 9 multiplied by 5, which is 45, and similarly again we have got 10. That 10 will increase 10 at the end of 45, so it will goes to 450. Our second example of multiples is 1712 multiplied by 800. Again I am going to split 800 into 8 multiplied by 100. Now I am going to multiply 8 with 1712, so I get 13696 multiplied by 100. Here in 100 we have two zeros, so it will increase the answer and we get 1369600. Our third example is 31 multiplied by 7000. Here I am going to split 7 into 1000. So this is a splitting. Now I am going to multiply 7 with 31, so I get 217, and when I am going to multiply 1000, simply we add 3 zeros to the end of 217, so we get 21730. Second, I am going to describe the division of whole number with 10, 100 and 1000 and also its multiple. Rule: divide a whole number with 10, 100 or 1000. We simply remove number of 0 to the whole number to its end. Divide a whole number to the multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. Then we split the multiple number and we do the same process as above. For example, we have 8000 divided by 10. Here in a 10 we have 10, so in a first number we will remove 10, so the answer will be 800. In a second example we have 45,000 divided by 100. Here in a second number we have two zeros, so in answer we get only 45 because the two zeros in 45,000 will be removed because of 100. We have again a third example is 38,000 divided by 1000. So second number contain 3 zeros, so we remove 3 from the first number, so the result will be 38. Now I am going to describe the multiple of 10, 100 and its 1000 for a division. 360 divided by 40. Now I am going to split this 40 into 10 divided by 4. So when we divide 360 by 10 we get 36 and the 4 is remain same. When we divide 36 by 4 we get 9. Next number is 36,000 divided by 600. Here I have split 600 into 100 and 6. So when I'm going to divide 36,000 by 100, so I get 360 divided by 6. When I'm going to divide 360 by 6, I get 60. The third example is 81,000 divided by 3,000. Here I am again split this 3,000 into 1,000 divided by 3. So when I'm going to divide these number 81,000 divided by 1,000, I get 81 divided by 3. When I'm going to divide by 3, I get 9. The next is Bodmas rule. Bodmas stands for B for bracket, O for orders, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Rule. First, evaluate everything that are in a bracket. So in Bodmas, B stand for bracket. So everything that are in a bracket, we are going to simplify that first. On a second, solve all the values which contain power, square, roots, etc. Order mean all those numbers which have power or a square root. In the third place, we do multiplication and division. So from left to right in a calculation. On a last, we do addition and subtraction from left to right in a calculation. For example, we have 20 minus 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5. Here I am going to do first step is that by a rule of Bodmas rule we divide 6 by 3, so I get 2. The other numbers remain same. Next in Bodmas we have doing multiplication, so I am going to multiply 2 with 2. I got 4. So now I have 20 minus 4 plus 5. According to the rule, from left to right we have first subtraction, so I am doing subtraction of this. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16, and at last when we going to plus 5 with 16 we get 21. Our second example is 8 multiplied by 10 bracket 10 minus 6 plus 50 bracket 15 divided by 5 bracket close. Here on the first we will perform a bracket which contain 10 minus 6 because from left to right rule. So the result is 8 multiplied by 4 plus 15 divided by 5. Here I am going to solve the next bracket 15 divided by 5, so I get 3. On the third step I am going to multiply 8 with 4, so I get 32, and now I am going to add 32 with 3, so I get 35. So this is the final answer. Third example is bracket open 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4 minus 6 divided by 2 bracket close plus 5 multiplied by 4. According to the rule, we solve everything that are present in a bracket, and also we follow the rules according to the rules. So I'm going to do multiplication first. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So everything that are remain the same, just we have multiply 4 with 4. Next I'm going to divide 6 by 2, so I get 3, and everything remain the same. Then other number will be remain the same. Next I am doing addition in a bracket, so I am going to plus these two numbers 3 plus 16, so I get 19 minus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4. On last I am doing to minus these two numbers, so I get 16 plus 5 multiplied by 4. According to the rule, now I am going to multiply 5 with 4, so I get 20, and at last I am going to solve these two numbers and add the 16 with 20, so I get 36. Thank you so much.